Hi everyone, this is Raghu from TutorialDrive.com and welcome to PHP video series. In this lecture we will see for each loop. So let's open our editor. So let's create a new file and save it as for each. .php. Don't forget to add the extension .php. So first of all, what is for each loop and how it is different from for loop? So this for each is a special type of loop which is used in case of arrays, and it is used to loop through the elements of arrays. So let's start coding. Open a PHP tag and then inside the tag, so let's create an array. So if you don't have, I know definitely if you are a beginner you don't have how to create arrays and how to use arrays and what are arrays. So remember, for now, array is nothing but a group of variables. It's like we can store, see for example, I have variable A and variable B and variable C. So in all these three variables, I want to store different values. But I don't want to use multiple variables. So instead of that, we can use a simple array, and inside the array we can store all these values and we can access those values with their index. So it's like if I use a of 0 it will print 1, if I use a of 1 it will print 2, similarly. So this is called index. So this 0 1 2 these are called index and this is called the value. Okay, so don't worry, in the future lectures we will definitely cover arrays in PHP, but for now let's see. So this is how we will create the arrays. So arr, this is our array name, equals array of, so let me give some values, 10 20 30 and 40 and then 50. This is my array. So I want to print all these elements, so I can use for each. Okay, this is the syntax, and we just need, this is the syntax for each loop. Then here the variable is nothing but our array. So for each $array as value. So here every time this variable value will have the current iterator or the index value. So let me print it. So use break, the element in the array is dot dollar value. That's all we need. So let's save and open our browser. So let's open for each loop. Okay, there is something wrong with line 3. That is, okay, array. This is the small typo. Let's reload. What is wrong with this? Okay, here I have to use $array. Sorry for the typos. Okay, so I got all these elements. So this is how we can use for each loop. So let me explain why do we need for each loop. So let me take the same example. How can I achieve the same functionality by using just the for loop? So let's create the for loop. So here let me have the iterator as I and initialize with 0, because as I mentioned, our array index will start with 0, and then till what point we have to loop. We don't know the size, so we need to find the size. So we can get that by using count of array, that is dollar array, and there we are incrementing. And similarly we can do this. Echo element in the array is. So how can we print the array, the exact index value? So a dollar array, within these braces or square braces, we can have dollar I. Let's save and open our browser. So if you see, this is our for each loop, and we got this output with our for loop. So that's why we can interchangeably use all these loops.